In this video, I will be talking about a huge breakout that will be happening next week for Bitcoin, and I will be exactly go over the price targets, whether we're going to be breaking bullish or bearish, and of course in this video I will be going over the most important trend lines, the most important charts in the market, and some other insane signals that are actually flashing right now here on the higher time frame. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Yesterday we were very close by slapping it back up above 400 likes. Can we do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to slap up that like button right now, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. So once looking at Bitcoin on that 1 hour time frame, we can straight away see since yesterday nothing really happened, and right now after we've seen the big pump and the dump again, we are right now consolidating a little bit sideways, and we're just waiting to see what the next big move for Bitcoin is going to be. If we're really going to be seeing, okay, when are we going to be saying Bitcoin is bullish or bearish? I personally think we are trading sideways. We're trading in a sideways market as long as we're ranging between the highs and the lows right here. So between the 18.4K and 20.4K, we are basically in this sideways accumulation phase. And if I'm zooming out, you can see that we have been staying and trading in this range for quite a while already. And if we either going to be breaking above that top side of resistance, I honestly think we're going to be bullish. And that is also the position where I will be looking for big long positions, because that is going to give me an easy confirmation to be opening a big trade. And also the exact other way around. If we do break below the green box of support and see a rejection or a retest of this level, that is going to be my short opportunity in the market. And you can basically see, if I place up this white box right here, we are forming a consolidation box here. And as soon as we do break outside of this consolidation box with a significant 4-hourly candle close, I honestly think we're going to be heading towards that direction in a very rapid pace. So if we do confirm a breakout either towards the upside or downside outside of this 4-hour consolidation box, that is going to be the signal that we could be opening large new trading positions on it, because that will most certainly help us to catch the next big swing for Bitcoin either up or down. And if you are interested in trading, don't forget to check out BitGet, because if you will be trading in the UK or in the US, sometimes you need a VPN for trading, but if you're using BitGet, you won't need a VPN at all, and you can trade all over the world. So make sure to check out BitGet right now, especially if you're in the US, because yeah, you can also use BitGet if you're a US trader. But yeah, they also are offering insane deposit bonuses, already a free $10 if you make your first time deposit. And like you can see right here as well, the more you deposit, the more free money you actually get on this exchange. So make sure to check it out in the link in the description to claim your deposit bonus. Furthermore, going in towards the content, looking at Bitcoin on that daily time frame, we can see that we're currently have been trading in a 138-day downtrend. This is a significant downtrend for Bitcoin, of course. And if we're looking also at the support box we've been looking at, basically we're currently looking at the descending triangle. We can start to see that actually Bitcoin is coming very close towards its apex. And I mean, in the coming 5 days, we will at least expect we will be starting to see that breakout happening for Bitcoin. So once we are going to be seeing a breakout, where will Bitcoin head toward? And my price targets I am anticipating for Bitcoin breaking bullish or bearish are quite big swings. So first of all, talking about my bullish price target, I will be aiming for targets somewhere around the 23.5K. If we do break bullish, of course, that will also confirm we are going to be breaking above this very important box right here, what is basically the majority of resistance we need to be breaking above. And if we do break above this critical level of resistance, I honestly think Bitcoin is going to be going in a larger bullish uptrend. So basically, if we do break bullish outside of this 138-day downtrend, I am expecting that the coming days ahead of ourselves are also going to be a little bit more bullish. However, if we do break below the very important box of support, we're going to see a significant break below. We could be heading towards levels around $14,000. So that is, of course, a significant downwards price target. And that's, of course, a target I won't like to see happening. But still, my strategy remains to be the same. I am buying more Bitcoin every single day, because I honestly think, and I honestly don't care if Bitcoin goes down to 14K right now, that I've accumulated Bitcoin around 19K, because the odds that Bitcoin is going down to 14K, we never know for sure if it's really going there, right? And for me, I'm just buying every single day more Bitcoin, so I'm getting a very good average entry price. But still, if it does come down to $14,000, the only thing I will do is benefit massively from the low prices, and it will also allow me to open up some crazy trades, because once looking at this crazy chart right here, I am starting to spot a legendary trend line here on the market, because basically since the bull run of 2017, we've been creating a beautiful trend line here towards the upside. And currently this trend line, if we will be touching it, we need to go down to approximately 14 to 15,000 US dollars. So if we will be testing this legendary trend line right here, I will be opening one of my craziest long positions out there on the market I've ever opened. I will be deploying more than 2, 3, 400k on this trade. So yeah, I truly hope Bitcoin is going to be having a small little crash, because maybe that will be allowing me to open up this crazy trade on this insane trend line. And the reason why I also think the potentially 14k can happen, because last time around we tested this line, we also wicked down significantly. So maybe once again we will be wicking down significantly, but still hold on towards that legendary trend line. So let's see what is going to be happening. Actually, I am not saying Bitcoin has to go down to 14k. It could also take maybe another 10 weeks of consolidation, and then we touch it, and then it's going to be around 17.5k, of course. So maybe we will be touched it later, but still, this is a trend line I am definitely keeping my eyes wide open on. And if we potentially are going to touch it, I will definitely deploy a lot of money on my legendary long trade. Also, if we're really zooming in from the descending triangle towards the lower time frame, you can currently see Bitcoin once again just got significantly rejected by this downward sloping trend line. I mean, honestly, on the daily time frame as well, we did broke below, of course, some support, but it is once again we broke below it, then we broke above it again, and now we are trading below it again. So yeah, Bitcoin is definitely showing a lot of weakness on the imminent short term. Obviously, it's currently weekend, so the market is a little bit more choppy right now here, but next week will definitely be an interesting story to see this one breaking out, because we're coming so close towards that apex right now. And if we do break below the white box of support, it is of course definitely going to be a sign of worry in the market. Then talking about the monthly time frame, I'm currently spotting something very crazy, because we can start to see that on the monthly time frame, the MACD is starting to shift bullish again. Of course, on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin has been going sideways, like you can see. Probably the past 5 months, 4 months in the market has one of the most boring periods in the market since approximately 2 to 3 years from now on. So yeah, this is definitely a period of accumulation, and of course a period where you need to keep your focus high. But currently what we can start to see is that the MACD is starting to shift bullish. And actually, if we're looking at the previous bear market, the last time this happened, once the MACD was starting to flip bullish again here, so that was approximately on this monthly candle right here, was actually the reversal candle. That was the bear market was already behind us on that point. So of course nothing is confirmed yet, because the monthly candle will be closing in 15 days from now on. But in case this is going to be closing like this here in the in this stage where it is going to basically confirm this potential breakthrough, we could be expect that this is the reversal candle for the monthly time frame for the bear market bottom. So this is actually a very interesting and a pretty huge signal that currently is flashing. Of course, it is not confirmed yet so far, but as soon as we do see the monthly candle start to close in 15 days from now on, we could be maybe determined that this bear market is maybe officially already behind us, and that we can start to be looking towards the upside again. So let's see how this is going to be playing out. Of course, this has been a signal from the past that has been working out very well, but the question is going to be, of course, will it once again work in the future? That is of course a thing we will find out in later from now on, but of course that is the reason why my strategy remains to be the same. I am buying more Bitcoin every single day, because I believe over the long term Bitcoin will increase in time. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video. If you want to be learning on how to make passive income in the cryptocurrency market, don't forget to check out the videos that are currently popping up above right now here. Check them out right now if you want to be making money in crypto completely passively. But anyways guys, this was it for me on today's update video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.